They be like, girl, I could never wear a lace front wig. That's right. You could never. That's why it's not on your head.
It's TJ, remember the name. No, it's TJ. Oh, yeah.
This is a sign to stop letting fear talk you out of a $90 sleigh. Because what I'm not going to do is let people who are too scared to be seen tell me how I'm supposed to show up. This wig is under $100 and it turned me into that girl. That's on period. But anyway, y'all, this is a highlighted 5x7 lace closure wig, and this is from 𝐤𝐡𝐢𝐥𝐢. I grabbed it right off of Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link in the description section below. Also, it is an affiliate link, so if you do grab it from there, I do earn a small commission. But let me be clear, I did go ahead and buy this with my own coins, and if it was trash, you guys would not be seeing it right now. But let's get into this, y'all, because I promise you, I was like, I know they didn't sit up here and play in my face, because what the 𝐿𝐿𝐤𝐬𝐿𝐿𝐤𝐬𝐿𝐿𝐤𝐬𝐿? I was looking like, what? But y'all already know with curly hair, when it's very defined, it's going to look thin, okay? So we're going to take our unbrush and I'm going to show you. You have to know this. Look how thick the hair gets, right? So again, depending on the products that you use will determine the density of your wig. So it may look like it don't got a lot going on, but it does. Also, this is a colored unit. I also would recommend you use products for colored hair, and also definitely wash her. Okay, I definitely recommend co-washing for any type of curly hair units. Definitely go ahead and wash it. So I'm gonna say this though, not gonna lie, wigs ain't for the weak, right? Like, yes, I can give y'all the links, I can give you all these type of lace tips and tricks, but what I can't give you is the confidence to rock something that everybody can see is not technically, your real hair. Like, some people really think that confidence means making the wig undetectable. Like, if they can't clock the lace, then I'm that girl. But real confidence is showing up with the lace visible. That part a little crooked, them edges not edging, right? And you still giving like, yeah, I did this, and what? Let's keep it real. Even a $600 install won't fix that little voice in your head that's scared to be seen. So maybe the issue ain't the lace. Maybe it's the part of you that still thinks you gotta be flawless to be worthy. The question was never, is this wig good enough for them? The real question is, am I ready to be seen even when I'm not perfect? Because sometimes it's not about the hair at all. It's about how you've been hiding and what this wig is bringing up out of you. As you guys can see, like I said before, I love these type of wigs because it's not a full lace frontal now. It mimics, it may look like a full lace frontal, but it's only a 5x7. But we got a lot of parting space here, which I love. You already know the dark roots eat down. They are my favorite type of wig when it has to do with color. Give me a dark root. I don't know, it just eats down. The color says honey blonde, but it's really more like a warm highlighted vibe, which I love because it's still bold, okay? But it's definitely wearable. And as y'all can see, this is definitely HD. Honey, that lace didn't come to play. Now, I actually did it backwards because I was supposed to tint the lace underneath instead of on top, but y'all, sometimes I just don't be present and I just didn't realize I had did it in opposite order. So I definitely would recommend you tint the lace underneath, and if you have to, put any extra of what is remaining from the brush on top if need be. So y'all just see me doing my regular install method, and even without plucking or bleaching, she came out chef's kiss. Y'all can just see this. Look at this. Don't this look like it's growing straight out my scalp? Don't play with her, okay? I like to go in to do like just a little bit more blendage, especially on this left side here. I don't know what was going over there. Going on that side, I could not get that to blend right. Again, that's why I say it's crucial with certain types of lace that you put the tinting cream foundation or whatever you use to tint your lace underneath to help it blend in more. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and plop our little elastic band on, and we're gonna let that sit for about good 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we're gonna take it off, and boom. Okay, she eat down. She eat down. I am gonna do baby hairs because I really don't like how the left side is not blending how I want it. So we're gonna do some baby hairs. Every time I put on a wig, I step different, right? It's not just about how it looks. It's about how it makes me feel. Like I carry myself better. And one moment, this gel, baby, if you don't have it, you need it. This is the first gel that I've had that actually works for any type of wig. It works for my synthetic wigs, it works for my virgin human hair wigs, and it also works for my hair. 10 out of 10, get you it. So anyway, what was I saying? I walk with more confidence. I don't even gotta say a word. People can feel it when I walk in a room. So if you've been scared to try a color like this, let me be real for a second. Are you actually scared it won't look good? Or are you scared that people gonna look at you different when you start showing up like you know you fine? Like you know you that girl? Because real talk, sometimes attention make people uncomfortable, especially when they've been hiding for so long. So I always say, if there's any type of color that you love to wear, like you like it, but then you got these notions that, oh, that don't look right on your skin tone, this. F what people are saying. That's all I'm gonna say. Do you wear what makes you happy? Forget what anybody else got to say, because like I said at the beginning, it's not on their head. Why you worried about what I got going on my head? People like, it don't look right on me. You saying it don't look right on you because you heard somebody else say that? Because that's what somebody else told you? Think about it. Some people really think that confidence means making the wig undetectable. Like if they can't clock the lace, then I'm that girl. But real confidence is showing up with the lace visible. You know, that part a little crooked, them edges not edging, right? And you still giving like, yeah, I did this, and what? Let's keep it real. Even a $600 install won't fix that little voice in your head that's scared to be seen. So maybe the issue ain't the lace. Maybe it's the part of you that still thinks you gotta be flawless to be worthy. The question was never, is this wig good enough for them? The real question is, am I ready to be seen even when I'm not perfect? Because sometimes it's not about the hair at all. It's about how you've been hiding and what this wig is bringing up out of you. Also, I do want y'all to know that this hair and these curls go together. It's a lethal combo. I'm obsessed with these type of curls in this unit. I really wish I had time to do the whole head, but I didn't, so I just did the front, and I just basically combed out those curls, just made them a little bit bigger. But I stand 10 toes behind IC Hair. Y'all know they are one of my favorite companies. However, I cannot give you guys like a full review on this wig in specific because I haven't washed and conditioned it. I did experience a little bit of shedding and tangling during this process. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.